How? How? Literally, in one end and out the other. How do you do this?
Here comes the boy. Hello, boy. Well. Where is my boy, my gentleman? There he is.
This is an alcohol. This is an alcoholic ass cat, man.
Do you guys ever wonder what would happen if you gave your cat human food? Like, would it change? Here, take a bite of the sandwich. What do you think?
I think it's pretty good, yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Are you getting up, dude? Guys, my cat's still making some weird noises. I don't know what's up with her. Might need to take her to the vet soon. I'm not sure. Come on.
Oh, you're gonna go
turn this off?
No, you're going to your own home if you keep traumatizing my cat.
I don't have no
Look at
problem
him.
doing that.
Look at him. He is traumatized.
He is traumatized.
Leave him alone. He is baby. Okay, well, if you're fighting him too, stop it. Oh, sweet Jesus.
And you know what? What was that? Okay, Jane.
Keeper.
Kitty. Kitty on a cat. Kitty on a mat. Kitty on a car. Kitty from afar.
Here comes the boy. Hello.
Have you ever heard a cat clap? Now you have.
Nestle Crunch.
He escaped the truck, and now we can't get his fat behind back in the car. Pootie, Tank, Miles McCorkle Montgomery Williams. Get up!
Kitty on a clock. Kitty on a rock. Kitty on a fan. Kitty in a pan.
Wait for it.
Okay na yan. Hala! Slay! Slay!
What are you doing?
I'm dying because I dropped my garlic powder.
Hey, cat. Cat. Cat.
you got to be.
Only cost pure hands instead of your life.
Ding dong.
Look at the camera and apologize for the you hurt me.
She's not even trying. I think she likes it.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, close the door. Close the door.
Salak bu çocuğu, salak bu çocuğu.
Say hi to your grandma.
Oh, yes. This is great. It's a great day off. No, dude!
Sup, little beach?
Life's a beach and you're here, dude!